Girl, your body good enough, me grip you so me hug you so. Love how you flexible, me set you like a double up. Me turn up in love you know, me love you no fi broken up. Your body hot enough, let me tell you what fi do. Make me put me hand on your smooth.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing a different type of video. I'm just experimenting with different kind of videos to see what you guys like. So I decided that I would do a celebrity inspired makeup look, and the first celebrity inspired makeup video was obviously the queen of contour and highlight, Miss Kim Kardashian West. I had to do her. Like, her makeup, she always slays. She always slays her makeup. Share, comment, and hey, why don't you also, if you're gonna do all that, why don't you subscribe as well? So that you guys are always in the know of every one of my videos when I upload, and also turn on your post notifications so that when I do upload videos like this, you're the first to know. Let's get started with this video. So we're gonna start off with the eyes, and I'm using my Maybelline 360 powder in Mocha. And I'm just gonna use this in my crease. I did apply foundation only to my lid. Now I'm taking my M501 brush, and I'm just applying this into the crease just to give it a little bit more definition, because you know Miss Kim Kardashian always looks chiseled and booming. So let's do the same. So we're just applying this into our crease just to give our crease a contour. So in this picture, her eyebrows are defined. They're really dark but full. I can tell that they did contour her crease, so that's what we did. So now we're gonna move on to liner. So in the picture, I noticed that the liner is very thin and it's not winged out. So we're going to take our Inglot gel eyeliner, and we are going to do our liner. And we're not going to go too crazy. Basically in the picture, she goes to about here with her wing. So that's what we're gonna do now. So I like to start like halfway and then work myself all the way to the end. Okay, so we're just taking the brush and we're just doing small strokes, okay? Small strokes. I'm gonna stop to about there because in the picture, she does not go full out. Now that our wing eyeliner is done, we're gonna move on to our lashes. And the lashes that I'm using is from Cosmania, and they're called Lashes for Days. It's in a 5-pack. They look super long, right? You can cut them. You guys have to apply lashes that fit your eye shape. So I have big eyes, so I like to measure them before I apply them on. So I know that this is good, I don't need to cut it. And I do see in the picture that Kim is wearing some really big lashes, and her bottom lashes are super long. So now we're gonna apply our foundation, and guess what I'm taking out, guys? I'm taking out the bad boy. I am taking out my Nars foundation. It's now my new favorite. So I am using it with my NYX foundation brush. So in this picture, Kim Kardashian's highlight is bright, and she does have a contour going on. We're gonna do a bright highlight. I'm gonna use my Maybelline Master Conceal underneath the eye, and we're not going all the way down to here. We're just going to about the edge of the eye, and we're just bringing it down to our mouth, on our chin. And we're going to use a damp beauty blender, and we're going to blend this out. Okay, so the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna do our contour. So we're going to contour our jawline, our forehead. Kardashian's nose is so contoured, but we're not going to make it too dramatic. So basically what we're doing is we're manipulating our face. So we're making it look like we lost 10 pounds in our face in just 1 second. So I am taking the side that I use the concealer on to blend out my contour, because I don't like my contour being dark and muddy. Okay, and then we're just going to blend out our contour on our forehead. And now I'm going to take my Real Techniques smudger brush, and we're just going to blend out that nose contour. And we're blending it up into the nose, because we want our nose to look smaller. Now we're just going to take our Sasha Buttercup powder, and I'm going to set very, very, very lightly with the powder. I don't want to go too much because my skin is dry, so I am not trying to set it completely where my face looks cakey. I'm going to use the same powder, and I'm just going to lightly set my contour. Okay, so in the picture, she does highlight in her inner tear duct. So we're going to take our brush, our M501 brush, and we're just going to place the highlight powder into our inner tear duct. We started to look like Kim K. We're going to do our bottom lashes, and for our bottom lashes, I've watched Makeup Shayla's videos so many times, and I've seen her do this in her video. We are going to take our liner brush, and we're going to take our gel liner, and we're going to make little dots on our bottom lash. We're we're going to apply our highlight using our broken Bobbi Brown powder, and we're going to apply this onto the high points of our cheekbone. We are going to apply some of that highlight down the bridge of our nose, just to highlight that highlight. You know what I'm saying? And then we are gonna place some under the brow bone. Okay, and then now for her lips, we're applying a nude lip. I'm applying my Sonia Kashuk lip liner in Plum. And we're just gonna use this to line our lips. And now I'm applying my MAC lipstick in half and half. And we're gonna apply this onto the lips. I love a nude lip. It's like the best thing. It goes with everything. Okay guys, so this is the end of the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had so much fun filming this. I love Kim Kardashian. I love her nude, her neutral faces, her nude lips. I love everything about her makeup. It is so easy. You guys can legit do it with your eyes closed. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel like always. Let me know in the comment section below if you enjoy videos like this, another celebrity inspired makeup look. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.